Welcome back to our channel Sparklebox. This is your handy baddie. So I'll be showing you today how to make a puppet. Come on, let's make it. Who doesn't like a puppet show? Of course, we all will love it. So kids, why can't we make our own puppet? Hope you enjoyed this DIY. In a similar way, you can make puppets of your own favorite characters. Do share your work with me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel Sparklebox. To get instant notifications on our new videos, don't forget to click bell icon. Thanks for watching.